Hi, and thank you for watching the 2015 Fall Online Athletic Code Meeting for Appleton West High School. After reviewing this PowerPoint, please take some time to answer the 5 following questions. You can pause the PowerPoint at any time. I'd like to introduce our Activities Department. Mr. Jim McClowery is our Athletic Director, and Ms. Deb Andrews is our Administrative Assistant. The business office in the high school is where the athletic office is located. Please contact us anytime if we can help you navigate getting involved in an athletic program this coming fall or anytime during the school year. Mr. Josh Sanders is our licensed athletic trainer. He is in our building daily from 2:45 till approximately 6:30, and he does cover most home athletic events. Please keep his email handy, as he is a great resource for student athletes and their parents when it comes to care and prevention of injury, concussion management, or any type of counseling that might help parents and families make a decision on a next step if there is an injury. But he's a valuable tool, a valuable resource for us, and please build a relationship with him right away. Next, why do we have athletics at our high school? Well, we believe we're an educationally based athletic program designed to help student athletes and help students get ready for life beyond high school. So let's talk a little bit about the non-negotiables, or our athletic code. Basically, our code is set up with some common sense processes for student athletes that are going to earn the privilege of participation. We expect our student athletes to be in school all day. That means study halls as well as lunch periods. And we understand there's going to be times where a student needs to leave school for an appointment or a family emergency. We just ask families to call in by 9 o'clock to excuse a student. Academically, we expect our student athletes to be passing at least 5 classes. There will be an 15-day ineligibility period at grade check times if we have students that are not passing multiple classes. Academics is obviously a priority, and there's so many wonderful resources to help our kids be successful in the classroom here at West High School. Additionally, going along with the common sense theme, our code addresses issues such as underage drinking and drug use, or in the presence of these items, vandalism, plagiarism, fighting, inappropriate social behavior such as cyberbullying, inappropriate use of technology. You can download a hard copy of our full athletic code book off of our website, which I'll show you later. But the suggestion is that all families download or at least look at this electronically before they sign their athletic code agreement, so you fully understand what the expectations are. So if you do break our code, we ask you to tell the coach, tell Mr. McClowery, our athletic director. Don't make any excuses, but make amends. Be honest about it. Serve the penalty or the consequence. Find a way to regain your eligibility and recommit. An athletic code violation does not have to define you as a student, a person, or your athletic experience. We realize there's going to be issues sometimes. And in an educationally based environment, we work very hard to put our students in a situation where they can self-advocate. So student athletes, if you have a situation with a coach, we ask that you go with the coach and work with the coach personally one-on-one to try to work out the situation. We understand sometimes that's a scary conversation to have. So call upon your parent or guardian or teacher or Mr. McClowery and get some support from them about strategies and how to talk to your coach, a good time to talk to your coach, and ways to get the questions you have answered. But then you would go directly to your coach then, perhaps with that person as a support for you. Now we understand sometimes that issues need to go a little bit further and they need to be settled a different way. So parents and guardians, the athletic director, our student athletes, and our coaches, we all sit down and work together to try to resolve our situation. Our goal, again, is to get our kids ready for the next stage of life, and having them advocate for themselves is part of this learning process. We're all working together for the same goal. Next, Concussion Law 172 in our state requires that all school districts provide information about concussions to parents, student athletes, and coaches. There are many resources available online, but the ones I'd like to draw you to are found on this page. There's a free resource called nfhslearn.com. It's actually about a 25-minute online course that's open for anybody to take that gives you the latest information on concussion and concussion management. Also, the WIAA website, which is our state association's website, has a plethora of information regarding concussions. The most important thing is we all have a role when it comes to concussions. Student athletes, you need to share the information with the coach as soon as you can, with your parents as soon as you can. Parents, if you see symptoms of a concussion, you need to let Josh know, our trainer. You need to let our coaches know. But we all need to be communicating right away, communicate right away so we can get the best care possible for our student athletes. It's something in our state and, of course, in our district and in our school we take very seriously. So please become more educated about concussions. Next, we do take the transportation of student athletes very seriously. We do transport our student athletes by Cobus and bus or by school van, but in the event that you need, as a parent or guardian, need to take your student athlete personally in your own vehicle, we ask that you fill out this travel release form, which can be found on our website, and either email it or bring it into Mr. McClowery, our athletic director, so he can sign off on it. Releasing the school district from the liability of transporting your student athlete is an important piece of the puzzle for us, so please help us with that. Next, we do have an athletic website. If you can go to this URL in the top left-hand corner, foxvalleyassociation.org, it'll lead you to our Appleton West athletic page. And as you can see in the top right-hand corner, right up here, if you click Notify Me and you put in your cell number and your email address, you will be notified of anytime there's a change made to the schedule. Also, you can program it and filter it that you will get a reminder a day in advance, an hour in advance, a half hour in advance of a particular athletic event that you are planning on attending. So please take advantage of that feature, Notify Me. Also, to view the schedules, which are the most updated schedules, is right here under the calendar. You can go to the particular sport and then click View. So please utilize this resource. It's the most updated calendar we're always going to have for athletics. Next, where can you find forms? If you go to appletonwest.org, fall sports, you're going to find all the forms that I'm talking about in this video today. Athletic Code of Conduct form, physical exam form, concussion form, and the emergency card, along with information about the $50 fee to register for a sport. Here's just some of the information. By the way, you can find our Athletic Code of Conduct, concussion facts for parents and student athletes. So, to register for a fall sport, this is what we need you to do. Come on into our business office. We're going to start this process July 13th. Our hours are from 9 to 1 daily. We need a $50 fee. We need a curricular code and concussion form signed. We need to have a physical on file and updated, and we need to have an emergency card. This is very important. We need all these things on file in order for you to participate. You will not be able to stretch with the team, get a uniform, hang out with the team unless all these things are done by the first day of your practice. So let's get working on getting this done ASAP. Give us a call and Ms. Andrews will be able to help you. Next, we do have a free physical night at OSI on July 29th from 5 to 7 o'clock. Please take advantage of this free opportunity. The window to register is right now between July 22nd. Next, here's the first day of practices and tryouts for our fall sports. Please look at the one that pertains to you. And if you have additional questions about your particular sport, you can contact our head coaches, Brent Egan for football, Sydney Totsky for cheer and dance, Bill Miller for golf for girls, girls tennis, Paul Enter, cross country for boys and girls, Mr. Terry Gross, boys soccer, Tim Steebs. We do have a girls volleyball in place, or we will very soon. We'll get that information on our website. Boys volleyball is Tim Weiss. Girls swim, right now our contact is Craig Kellenberger, and our athletic trainer is Josh Sanders. If there's any way we can help you at all, please give us a call. We want to get you plugged in to a sport this fall. Thank you.